It's so messy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kitty and Drexen's Vlogs, as you guys all know. So today I am going to show you guys how. I want someone to tell me in the comments how to make floppy slime non-deflatable, because this slime is it deflates after a while, and I keep on having to reuse shaving cream, and there's barely any left. I already used all of this. Watch. Oh wait, it's just the water and bubbles. I don't know how to describe it, but look at it. I'll put it down. That bumpy stuff is literally just bubbles. Let me pop all the bubbles. Now there's like the little tiny bubbles. It's right there. And it does not smell very nice. Okay. Yeah, now it's fully done. And this one I got from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. As you guys saw in the beginning, that literally flung out. Got some bread. As you guys saw in the beginning, yeah. Got everywhere. So, just gonna grab it all up. So, how's your guys' summer vacation doing so far? Mine's horrible. Well, kind of. We're moving, which is very happy. I am very excited. And for some reason, it kind of makes it more stretchier for me. Or that one. And I got it from the Dollar Tree for just $1. We have to lay low on money for a little bit, though. Not a little bit, just for a couple days. I can't wait to move. We all love the house. I'll show you guys that when yeah. I don't know what that was. It was in my mouth. That was gross. So guys, I'm gonna tell you guys my favorite noise for ASMR. So now let's just do some ASMR. Let's go. Sorry if there's noises in the background. Not the best. I messed up. I'm going to try to do one more and then I'll stop the ASMR. My brother. That's better. Shh, Johnny, I'm making a video. Quiet. So, did you guys enjoy the video? And I'm holding you guys up on a stand. I do not want to take it off, but it's a holder for your paper towels. Did you guys like the video? I liked making it, and that was quite a long ASMR for me. But I paused the video if I didn't, and the editing, what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it was actually like 7 or 8 minutes, or maybe 10, and like half of all the ones that I cut out, it was really bad. Like, no. I was like, keep on talking. I was like, so guys, do you like this? And I just like, was like, I don't know how to explain it, but it was really cringy and weird and bad, so I did not keep it in the, probably not going to keep it in the video because I need to edit this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I did, so my hands are kind of purple. Well, it doesn't show on camera, but I promise they're a little bit purple. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Coffee creamer. Just bye. See you guys next time. Bye. And me and Jackson are having a play date soon if you guys wanted to know and why am I looking that way. Bye.